Jury selection is about to get underway in the trial for the death of Manuel Ellis.
3 Tacoma police officers are charged in the death of the 33-year-old while Ellis was restrained in March of 2020. Now, video footage of Ellis's death led to calls for a police investigation. Ellis was walking home from a 7-Eleven when witnesses say 2 of the officers stopped him and then knocked him to his knees when he tried to turn around. He
was placed in a neck restraint, tased, and heard on home security footage saying can't breathe for several minutes. Documents show the 3rd officer facing charges for his death arrived as a backup and applied pressure while Ellis was restrained. The Pierce County medical examiner said Ellis had a fatal amount of meth in his system, but ultimately died from a lack of oxygen.
King 5's Angelique Cockade is live in Tacoma. Angelique, a lot of attention on this case as we go forward. Do we know how long jury selection could take?
Well, Farah, this is really just the first day in a lengthy process. Jury selection can take weeks. We do know opening statements are scheduled to begin October 2nd. That's just a few weeks from now. Now, to protect the jury selection will not be streamed. But at this point, we know the courtroom does open at 8:30 this morning, and the day will begin with orientation and the swearing in of potential jurors. Now, according to the Pierce County website, there will likely be motions heard at some point this morning, but selection itself will not start until tomorrow at 1:30. Now, to back up on how we all got here, the Pierce County medical examiner ruled Ellis's death a homicide. According to the full autopsy report, which was obtained by King 5, Ellis also had a fatal amount of meth in his system. Now, Tacoma police officers Christopher Burbank and Matthew Collins are charged with a second-degree murder, and Officer Timothy Rankine is charged with first-degree manslaughter. Again, jury selection begins today. The trial itself could last between 8 and 12 weeks. Again, opening statements begin in just a few weeks from now on October 2nd. For now, they're reporting live in Tacoma. Angelique Cockade, King 5 News.